We're going on a mission. Just Sarah and me. We're gonna go and try and find somewhere to get some really cool drone shots. So we're gonna hop in the car and see what's going on, huh? Sarah?
Yeah, go for a bit of a cruise.
Yeah. We've randomly come across the... What's it called, Sarah?
Art and Garden.
By Fuan Wong. It's kind of in the mountains up here, about 20 minutes drive from where we're staying. Looks pretty cool, we're just going to check it out. We've just wandered into this tropical paradise. We're just having a look around and we're going to fly the drone somewhere here. So, what an amazing find.
Yeah, what a great find. You know, like we just stumbled into this place and it is exquisite. We've spent most of the day here.
Anyway, we're out of here. Biggest tropical fruit farm in Asia, apparently. Love them or hate them, check out the size of these durians. They're ridiculous. Oh, it's bigger than me. Give you a sense of scale. Oh, they're spiky. Huh. We've been completely parked in. We can't get the car out. What are we supposed to do? Getting more confident with the drone, so we've just found a nice spot on the beach. Drone mission aborted. Took some cool footage though, but it's now beginning to rain. So we're going to hot tail it back to the car, get to the apartment, and get ready for dinner. Instincts about the rain were not wrong. It has got apocalyptic out there. You'll notice Ethan's not been in this video so much this weekend. He's been feeling a bit poorly. But today he's picked up. It's our last day here. So we've just got back from shooting drones and getting a bit of breakfast. And he's feeling a lot better. You feeling better?
Yeah.
Good.